Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to lock home screen layout. So here you can see we can easily move and remove any app icon from here, and also we can add any widget to the home screen like that. We can do any changes on the home screen. So let me show you how to lock the home screen layout. For this, simply go to the settings. Now scroll down, then tap on the option home screen, then simply scroll down. Here you can see the option lock home screen layout. You can see prevent items on home screen from being removed or repositioned. Then turn on this one. If you turn on this one, then it will prevent the accidental movement or deletion of any applications. It is very useful for kids or elder using the phone. Okay, so after enable this one, if you try to move this one, you can see home screen layout is locked. You can unlock from the settings. So simply in this way we can lock the home screen layout on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.